In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tickets in Hubspot CRM. This is a really helpful tool for managing your customer interactions, organizing your support efforts, and keeping track of important business tasks. Let's jump in and get started with navigating this essential feature. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot homepage. This is your launching pad into all the amazing tools HubSpot has to offer. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the login button. You'll find it prominently displayed, ensuring you can quickly access your account without any fuss. After logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. This is essentially your dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your account. Familiarize yourself with this area as it provides a bird's eye view of your operations. Now let's focus on finding the CRM section. Click on CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. This area is crucial as it houses all your customer data, interactions, and support tickets. The CRM tool is designed to streamline communication, giving you the power to nurture customer relationships more effectively. Within the CRM, you'll want to locate and click on tickets. This is where all your existing tickets are managed and new ones are created. It's a vital space because tickets represent your customers' inquiries, issues, or requests that need addressing. By efficiently managing these, you enhance customer satisfaction and help drive business success. Next up, you should click on Create Ticket. This is where the magic happens. You'll see this option which allows you to generate a new ticket whenever a customer issue arises. Whether you're documenting a simple inquiry or a complex problem, creating a ticket is where you begin the resolution process. Now that we're creating a ticket, don't forget the details. Here, you will fill in all the necessary information about the ticket. This could include the customer's name, the nature of their issue, and any pertinent notes or deadlines. Be thorough here. Comprehensive tickets ensure that nothing slips through the cracks and that your team can address issues efficiently. Once all details are filled in, you're ready to finalize this part of the process. Go ahead and click on Create. By doing this, you officially generate the ticket, putting it into the workflow where it can be assigned, tracked, and resolved by you or your team members. It's a small click for a significant organizational gain. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated creating and managing tickets in HubSpot CRM. Not only does this process support your team in providing excellent customer service, but it also helps you maintain an organized and efficient work environment. Thanks for joining me today, and happy ticketing.